Today is Marshall Day at the Capitol. It's an opportunity for us to express our gratitude and appreciation to those who serve our state and help pave the path for a more prosperous future for our citizens. It's also a chance for us to showcase what Marshall University is doing and how we're a solution to some of the biggest challenges that our legislative leaders and our governor are trying to solve on behalf of our citizens.
I want them to see the power of our students. That is what makes West Virginia so rich, and we want to make sure they stay in this state. So let's see what Marshall's doing with our students, the great things they're doing, and let's be proud of that.
The one thing that I want people to take away from the day, that we're not only educating people, we're impacting lives in the community. Huntington and Marshall are very symbiotic, and I think it's a model to spread across the state of how we can move forward.
But more importantly, it's about bringing the students and staff and faculty down here at the Capitol. It's really important that they see how we work and how our body works so they can help advocate for Marshall and for themselves as well. It's a really exciting day. I love having Marshall here. As a Marshall alumnus, Marshall dad, it's exciting to see this Capitol filled with green and white.